Everybody has a bedroom, but how to show that bedroom can become a wonderfully emotional place for the whole family. We created the IKEA Love Cinema, where we replaced regular seats with beds and offered Russian families a chance to experience comfortable bedrooms as they do at home. The Cinema of Love was working for 10 days, but tickets sold out immediately. Every couple and family had a loving experience and loved this project.
Ahora tiene que escuchar esto y quizás le conviene.
Thousands of TV appearances, articles, tweets and shares. And yes, the bed linen was changed after each movie.